To the insurance company, I'm claim number 7BC8PXL23, classified as motorcycle wreck with potential distracted driver. Well, insurance company, I'm Paul, and that potentially distracted driver ran a red light, sideswiped my bike, and sent me to the hospital. Now I'm out of work, and the bills still haven't stopped rolling in.
At Montlick & Associates, we'll take on the insurance company for you and get you the money and benefits you deserve. Call us now at 1-800-LAW-NEED. That's 1-800-LAW-NEED.